Okay, so it's our June something, I think the 14th end of day video.
It's June 14th.
Okay. You gonna tell them about y'all's day? Okay, I guess I will. It was super rainy, so most of the day we didn't do anything.
You don't have to.
Then them two played Halo for a little bit. How did y'all do playing Halo? Did y'all do good?
She did great.
Yeah.
What was your favorite gun?
The purple crystal. The crystal gun. The purple.
The needler?
Yeah.
Are we gonna make a boring video?
Yeah,
Baby.
feet. We got lots of feet. And Ingrid too.
And mermaid.
La la la.
Rain. Mermaids. Apparently.
Never knew mermaids could fly.
Well, I guess let's talk about tomorrow. I have to work tomorrow, and you get to go. Where do you get to go tomorrow?
Bowling, 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 bowling.
First time bowling, and we don't get to go.
Yeah.
I want to go. But I gotta work.
Oh, I gotta work too.
I wished you could just have me at Buggas while here at work instead, right?
Next week you'll be at.
Well, or me at somebody's house while.
I think you're gonna love bowling.
Oh, yeah.
And try to next week after you go to Becca's to do make sure you go skating.
Achievement.
You got an achievement on the Xbox.
Nope.
Or it's just cycling through showing them the achievements.
Probably.
Okay. Y'all are kind of boring. So you want to say your good night? Goodbye? Good night?
Good night if it's night. Good morning if it's morning. Good afternoon if it's afternoon. Good morning if it's morning. Good lunchtime if it's lunchtime. And good breakfast if it's breakfast. And good snack time if it's snack time. And good dinner if it's dinner time. And good snack time or dessert time.
You have a pinkie pie.
Whichever one is. But this is the end of the video.
It's not?
It's not the end of the video, by the way.
What are you going to do now? Oh. That's what you're going to do. Oh.
Oh. Monkey
And then our
morning.
subscribers go down to 0 tomorrow.
Yeah.
For real? No. They're joking.
We're at like 8 subscribers and almost 200 views. So thank you for all the comments and subscribing.
Subscribe, please. Subscribe more. And another one of our favorite videos is Papa Jake.
And so far it seems like one of the most popular ones is the one that you're wearing the head thing with the GoPro at the park. So we're
That's
gonna
pretty cool.
I found a really nice like hat on Amazon, and we'll be getting that next week so we can do more of the videos from like her perspective and stuff like that.
That thing.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
But this isn't the end of the video.
Yes, it is.